Hey guys, it's Kay and I'm back with another video. So basically this is going to be a get ready with me hair edition, and the wig I'm going to be using is this wig that was sent to me from OMGqueen Hair, and they sent me their natural curly 360 lace wig. The length is 20 inches, the hair density is 180%, the cap size is a medium. This wig did come with baby hairs, as you can see in the beginning of the video. The hairline is also pre-plucked. Now I did go in and bleach the knots. I did not go back in and pluck the hairline because I felt like the hairline looks pretty good. But I really did a good job on bleaching the knots. I feel like it looks so natural. And in the camera, it's really not giving this hairline any justice. I don't think so. But in person, oh my goodness, this wig is freaking slaying, y'all. So basically now this is the hair blow dried, and I did actually wash this hair, of course, because I bleached the knots. But after it was washed, I didn't really get a clip of showing you like the natural state of the curls, but they were so beautiful. So don't be alarmed when you first get this wig, because the curls won't look like that. And the first clip that I showed you of this wig, that's actually how the curls came to me. But they won't look like that after you wash it. The curls are way more defined and they actually look really good. When I washed this hair, I did get some shedding. The shedding was not bad at all, but this wig definitely shed. I haven't received any tangling yet. So yeah, this wig is really, really nice, and it definitely straightens really good. I couldn't get it really, really straight, but this is the straightest that I could get it. If anybody is curious on the straighteners I'm using, they are from a company called Elfina, and basically you can purchase these on Amazon. They do have an Amazon store, so I'll go ahead and leave all the links in the description box. I actually really like these. These are their steam hair straighteners. So now I'm basically sectioning off the hair, and I'm just sectioning off the top part, kind of like a half up, half down, but not like the whole front of my head, if that makes any sense, because I still want the sides to be like out or whatever. So the style that I'm creating, I don't really know the name of it, but I will be using like some elastic rubber bands and just connecting them. It's kind of like a 90s vibe for sure. I don't know the hairstyle. I guess it's like rubber band ponytails that you connect. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I don't know like the exact name. Maybe when this video goes up, I'll have the exact name maybe in the title or description. But yeah, that's basically what I'm doing. So this is the part that I will be styling, and the rest I'm just going to put back into a ponytail just to get it out the way. So yeah, if you're trying to achieve this look, you are going to need some rubber bands, and you can get these from your local beauty supply store. So at first I was just going to do one section, but I felt like the section was just way too big. So I decided to part it into two. So I'm going to do one section on camera for you guys, and then I'm going to come back with the other side already done. Now I'm going to go ahead and take these gold braid cuffs, and I'm just going to place them over where the rubber bands are so you can't see the rubber bands. I think this is like so freaking cute, you guys. I start feeling myself after a while because it really turned out so good. These gold cuffs definitely make this hairstyle just pop so much more.
So independent, they gon' know who you is.